Good morning, everyone. Today, everyone is here to remember a hero, a fighter pilot, a brave soul, someone who gave his life and saved others. And I am proud of him. I have always been proud of him. But today, I don't just want to talk about the hero you all know. I want to talk about my you. He was a man in uniform. For me, he is so much more than that. I have seen him without that uniform. I have seen him laugh for no reason, annoy me for fun, protect me without saying a word. I have seen the version of him that no medal, no title can ever describe. Everyone says you should be proud, and I really am proud of him. But what people don't see is that along with that pride, there's silence, a void that no one can fill. Because for you, the story ended with bravery, but for me, it ended with losing the person I grew with, the person who was supposed to see me grow, the one who was supposed to be there when I had no one else. He wasn't just a hero, he was my everything. He was my idol, he still is, and he always will be. Not because of his sacrifice alone, but because of how he lived. In fact, he taught me how to live. He was like, खुशी जब कॉलेज जाएगी तो ऐसे भोंदू बन के मत रह जाना, बाहर जाना, घूमना, अच्छे से जीना. It's been a year now, a whole year of missing him in ways I didn't even know were possible. And today, when I see people coming here and talking about his courage, I just want to say thank you for remembering him. Thank you for honoring him, for speaking about his courage, for making sure that his sacrifice is never forgotten. He was not just my brother, he was my home, and he always will be. I once read a line, if I die in war zone, tell my sister not to be upset. Her brother will not rise after the sunset. But I want to say this today. You do rise. You rise in me every single day. You rise in mummy. You rise in papa. Sorry, papa G for you. You rise in the people who love you. In every memory, in every strength you left behind. And I will always carry that with me forever. Thank you.